Hey buddies, a warm welcome to Happy Tube and wish you all a very happy Makar Sankranti and a very happy Lodi. This upcoming festival demands to make some til laddu and til chikki. Til laddu is a very healthy and delicious laddu. It's a famous laddu of India. The til laddu is prepared with sesame seed and jaggery. It's very easy to make. So let's see how to make this yummy and healthy sesame seed laddu. To make the til chikki, I have taken 2 cups of white sesame seed. Weight wise, it is 200 grams. The til is properly washed and then naturally dried under sun. The very first step for making this til chikki is to dry roast the sesame seed. To do that, heat a pan or karai, add the seed and dry roast it for 3 to 5 minutes. Stir it. Do not over roast or under roast the til. If you over roast it, it will be bitter, and if it under roasted, then it will not be crunchy. Now the sesame seed has changed the color. So to know the til is properly roasted, take some til in your hand, cool it for a while. Be very careful, it's very hot now. And chew it. If you can feel the crunch, then the sesame seed is ready. You can be sure of properly roasted sesame seed by seeing the color too. The white sesame seed will be a little brownish when it is properly roasted. Once the seed is roasted well, take them out on a bowl and allow them to cool. Now take the same pan and dry roast some dry fruits of your choice. In case of dry fruits, also dry roast them for 3 to 4 minutes. Once the color get brownish, take them out in a bowl. Here I have taken some cashews, pista and almond. You can take any of dry fruits of your choice. When you are having the til laddu and some crunchy dry fruits all into your mouth, then it will be a mesmerizing experience. It's done. Now I am taking it out in a bowl and also allow them to cool. Now we have to prepare the jaggery. I have taken this Dhampur green jaggery. I found this one as pure sugarcane jaggery. You can buy it from online easily. It comes into a 200 gram bar, and I am taking this 200 gram jaggery for making the laddu. Break the bar into small pieces. It will help to melt faster. Add 5 to 6 teaspoons of water. Stir a little. It will take some 4 to 5 minutes to melt the jaggery completely. While the jaggery is melting, I will break the dry fruits into small pieces. After 5 minutes, jaggery is completely melted. Now we have to check the consistency of this jaggery. Just sear a little, adding some 4 crushed green cardamom, it will add a wonderful flavor. Now we are checking the consistency. Put a drop of melted jaggery into water, take it out and try to stretch it. After 1 or 2 stretches, it should be hardened. So jaggery is almost ready. Now quickly add a teaspoon of desi cow ghee into it. And switch off the flame. Quickly add the roasted sesame seed. Stir a little. And the dry fruits also. Stir it. All the sesame seed and the dry fruits should be well coated with the jaggery. Now grease a roller board and a roller pin with sesame oil or ghee. We are going to roll the mixture in this roller board. Taking half of the mixture in the greased roller board, be very quick, otherwise the mixture will get hardened and will be difficult to set. Quickly roll it, secure the edges and keep rolling it. Be careful, it is still hot. Now cut the block into pieces when it is still warm. Your chickpeas are ready, just allow it to cool. With the half of this laddu mixture, I am going to make some laddu. One tips, if your mixture get cool and hard, then you can heat the pan for 10 seconds and your mixture will be ready again for making laddus. Take the chickpeas out of the rolling board. and enjoy your Makar Sankranti with this delicious sweet. Thank you for watching.